Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how do you edit a product after listing on Teespring. So firstly, log into your Teespring account. So go to your Teespring website and then log in. So once you're on your account here, okay, once you've reached your account, so all you have to do now here is on your left panel here, you'll see a listing option. So click on the listing option here. So once you click on the listing option, you should see all the amounts that you have, I mean all the products that you have currently listed, currently being listed. So as you can see, mine is a brand new account. I just created this account, so there's no your listing yet on mine, but you should see your listings here, the products here. So you just choose the product that you want to edit, and next to it there'll be an option called edit details. So click on it, and then you're free to make any changes or do all your editing to the product that you have listed already. So just make any changes or your editing, and then just hit on save button there, and that's it. And that's what edit your product after you have listed it, and it will update it. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Just give it a go and let me know. So thank you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.